Good morning, my dear students. A warm welcome to our English class. Students, how are you? All are fine? Why all are looking so dull today? What happened? May I make you active? Okay, are you ready for a small song, action song? Okay, then please stand up. All stand in your places. Okay, good. You sing along with me, okay, and do the action, okay? Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Come on, stretch your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, stretch your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Come on, hang your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, hang your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Come on, fold your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Yes, do. Come on, fold your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Do you like the song, students? Okay, then do one thing. When you get free time, sing this, show action, take video and send to me. Okay? Okay. Now, let's start our class. Okay, students, which is your favorite vegetable? Is it tomato? No? Then, lady's finger, I think. No? Then what? Is it cucumber? No. Oh, then potato, right? Okay, all like potatoes? Okay, good. What can we do with potatoes, students? Yes, we can make curries. Then, yes, fries, right? French fries and potato fries. Many things we can make, right? Okay, today our lesson is about a potato. It is a funny lesson, okay? It is a very funny lesson, okay? Now, see the title of this lesson, students. Chapter 2, Surprising Potato. Surprising potato. So, surprising means what? Yes, tell me, what is surprising? Yes, surprising means anything unexpected will happen. So, that is surprising, right? For example, today, without expecting, your father may buy a new dress. You will surprise, right? Or, I will come to your home on today. Will you surprise? Yes. So, anything unexpected will happen, that is surprised. Okay, students? Now, let's start our class. Enter into the lesson. Okay. Open your textbooks, all of you. Page number 13. Term book, page number 13. Okay. Look at the book, students. Granny grows many vegetables in her lovely garden. Here, Granny. Granny means who, students? Father's mother or mother's mother. Right? We call father's mother as Granny or mother's mother as Granny. Here in this lesson, Granny grows many vegetables in her lovely garden. Lovely means what? Beautiful garden. Okay. Did you have garden in your home? Yes, all have. Okay, good. What do you plant in the garden? Flowers, vegetables, fruits, right, like that. Okay. Yes. Now, here in this lesson, our Granny grows many vegetables in her lovely garden. Okay. See, her favorite vegetable is potato. So like us, here in this lesson, our granny's favorite vegetable is potato. Favorite means like most. Favorite means like most or most liked. Favorite means most liked. So, like us, here Granny's favorite vegetable is potato. And see, in her garden, Granny is surprised to see that one potato is bigger than the rest. So, in this, she planted many potatoes in her garden. But one day, when Granny went to her garden, she was very surprised. Why she was surprised? Because one of the potato is taller than the rest. See, one of the potato is taller than the rest. So, Granny was very surprised. Okay. The potato is even taller than Granny. Not only taller, but it is taller than. Taller means is bigger. So, this potato is taller than Granny. Okay. That's why she was very surprised. Okay. I pull and pull, but the potato does not come out. So, Granny pull and pull. But did the potato come out? No, the potato did not come out. I shall pull this potato out and make potato fries for everyone, said Granny. So Granny said herself, for what purpose she is pulling the potato out? She planned to make potato fries. But what happened? The potato was not coming out. She failed. She tried to pull the potato, but she failed. Failed means the potato not come out. Okay. Turn the next page. Granny calls Grandpa out. So Grandpa was inside the home. So Granny called Grandpa and Grandpa comes out. Okay. Grandpa catches Granny and together they pull. So Grandpa catches who? Granny. Granny catches who? The potato. And they both were pulling now. Okay. They cannot pull the potato out. But the potato not come out. Granny now calls her son Karthik to help them. Okay. Now Granny called whom? She called her son Karthik. What is her son's name? Karthik. So Karthik came out. Karthik holds Grandpa. Grandpa holds Granny. And Granny holds the potato top. Now who? Grandpa holds Granny. Granny holds whom? See here the picture. First of all, Granny holds the potato plant. Then Grandpa holds whom? Granny. Then again, Granny calls her son Karthik. Now see, Granny holds the plant. Then Grandpa holds Granny. Karthik holds Grandpa. Now together they pull the potato plant. But did the potato comes out? No. Then see the next. What do they do now? Karthik calls his wife Rekha. She was washing clothes. Now they don't know what to do. So they decided to call Karthik's wife Rekha. Okay, Karthik called. Hey Rekha, please come out and help us. Then she was washing clothes inside. She leave the clothes there and she come out. She leaves the clothes. Rekha pulls Karthik. Karthik pulls Grandpa. Grandpa pulls Granny, who in turns pulls the potato. So leave. Leave means, see the meaning? Before that, see the meaning of help. Help means give assistance to someone. So in order to help, who called? Granny calls Karthik. So help means give assistance to someone, means helping, doing their work. Okay. So that is leave. Leave means go away from. Means whatever we do, we leave that work there and we will go away from there. So that is leave. So here, see what happened? Now Rekha comes out. No? Granny pulls the potato plant. Then who here? Grandpa. Grandpa pulls Granny. Karthik pulls Grandpa. And here Rekha. Rekha pulls Karthik. Now together they pull the plant. They pull and pull. But the potato plant will not come out. Okay. They pull and pull. But still the potato does not come out. So the potato plant does not come out. Whom do they call now? They call their pet cat. Oh, one creature remained. Who is that? Pet cat. Do you have pets at home, students? What is your pet animal? Is it dog or cat? Yes. Did your pet animals love you? Yes, they loved you. Is it? Okay. Very good creatures the pet animals are. So here in this Granny's house, there is a pet animal. What is that? It is a cat. Okay. So they all call the cat. Now who came? They try for one last time. This is the last time. They call their pet animal cat. Now the cat came out. Now what happened? See here. They try for one last time. This is the last try for them. Okay. They pull and pull. Still the potato plant not come out. So now this is the last try. Okay. Granny pulls the potato top. Grandpa pulls Granny. Karthik pulls Grandpa. Rekha pulls Karthik. And the cat pulls Rekha. They pull and pull and out comes the potato. Now see here. What happened? This is the potato plant. Now Granny pulls potato plant. Then a Grandpa pulls Granny. Then Karthik pulls Grandpa. Rekha pulls Karthik. And their pet cat pulls Rekha. They pull and pull. And at last, what happened? Yes. Hurrah! We have pulled it out. They then carry the potato home. Hurrah! They pulled the potato out. They are very happy. They took the potato to their home. Granny makes lots and lots of French fries. So Granny with this potato make lots and lots of French fries. They all share the fries. Yes, see here in this picture. Yes, see. Granny made lots of potato fries and they all sit in their dining table and they share the potato fries. See. They are delicious. Delicious means, see the meaning? Highly pleasant to the taste. Means very taste. Highly pleasant to the taste. That is delicious. They enjoy themselves. All are very happy and they enjoy themselves. Okay. See the meanings here, students. Favorite, most liked. Surprised, having a feeling when something unexpected happens. Help, give assistance to someone. Leave, go away from. Still, even, now. Delicious, highly pleasant to the taste. Okay. So, this is the lesson. Once more I will tell. One day, Granny has a very lovely garden in her house. In her garden, she planted many vegetables. And one day, she was very surprised. Why? Because one of the potato was very taller than her. And she tried to pull it out. but it won't come out. She called everyone in the home and they all tried and tried, but they tried. They called one by one. First they call, first Granny called grandpa, then Granny called whom? Her son Karthik. Then Karthik called his wife Rekha. Then Rekha calls whom? The pet cat. So together they pull and at last the potato comes out. Okay. So from this story, what is the moral we have learned, students? Yes, if we do anything united, we stand, we can be succeed. Is it? If we are united, means what? Everything we can do. Unity is strength, right? So here, this only happened here in this story. They all united and they worked together and they succeeded at last. So in our life, what we have to do? We have to be unity. Unity is strength. So in our life, we have to be in unity and work together, and then we can succeed whatever in our life. Okay, students, have a nice day. Hope you all understand the lesson.